Hello, today I'm doing a tutorial on the Tactic 2.4 gigahertz RC controller. People have asked me, is the 2.4 gigahertz better than the AM or the FM RC remote controllers? Yes, these controllers get a lot more range. I drive this thing as far as the eye can see, and I can still drive it back. It's got lots of range. This one only takes 4 batteries. It's lightweight, and there's no need for a crystal like the AM or the FM controllers. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.